Hey, welcome back to, what is this, like part 3? Yeah, I think it's part 3. So where we last left off was the CM3 FH Spectrum Disruptor. I'm really not sure what that is, but I guess it's supposed to disrupt the time and space spectrum. I have no idea. It's something to do with his foot. And then his chest piece, which is right here on his shoulder. That one is letter A, which is C40. Neuron synthesized shield. And we finally get a new symbol, a little shield symbol, and it is what it is. It's a shield. And finally, for this little back piece connector right here that you can mount, these little hands on, that's part B, which is CLR Thermal Booster. So I guess it's supposed to be kind of like a flight jetpack booster type of thing. So yeah, let's kind of break him down and turn him down to his little robot mode. So let's flip up the feet. It's actually pretty easy to reverse all the steps here. Pop these off. Pop this down. I believe it went this way, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, then now the shield